Okay, this is a very quick guide on how to use the array viewer. You don't actually start from the files page, start from the display page, and down here it says array viewer. So we've got um, make array file. You have to have done that previously where it assembles the data from a potentially large number of files into something that can be read very quickly. Then you select what sort of combination your data falls into. I honestly can't quite remember how that works. Start the array view and it's looking for a file. So I'm going to open one here called nuki kernel hp underscore dol dot arr. That's an array file. And then show from start. So it's taking a little while to get itself organized, and now it's set out the array here, show next screen. So the array in this case consists of 6 columns and 6 rows and potentially one CPOD on the bottom in each square, and in these 4 squares there's also one on the surface, so they're kind of interleaved with one another, and it's going to show us the data minute by minute. And in each minute, the 10-second slices are sort of portrayed successively through the minute. And then it tells you over here what's what. Grey squares, no active pod. Height of the column is the click rate, the average for the minute. The color is the mean frequency of the clicks. So show next screen. So we've only got 4 pods going at this point. So we'll hit fast forward and it then steps fairly sedately along, and we can keep clicking that and it'll speed up and it's whizzing along. You can see the minutes racking up over there. Whoa, and suddenly a lot more pods have come on stream. This one never works. I'm not sure that one ever works. And there's one out there as well. So basically out of 44, there's only 41 that are behaving correctly. And these are porpoises. Um, I'm judging that on the basis of the color, which represents the frequency. We may see some dolphins come along later. So we can speed it up even further. And you can see sort of some distinct coherence about the way the pattern evolves. You can stop it. You can step forwards, show next screen. You can kind of export stuff. I forget how you do that. I must do a proper video on this. And you can sort of drag to any time you want. So it's now telling you what time you will see. So you're now going to see 20th of February 2010, 12:26. Show next screen. So if you had visual obs, you could compare them with this, and then you can jack up the speed. And if some dolphins appear, they will almost certainly be bottlenose dolphins. Their frequencies will be much lower, so the colors will be more at the red end of the spectrum. The heights of the bars will be much lower because they're the click rate, and dolphins generally click slower. Okay, and that's more or less how it goes. So then you can stop it there and you go back to the menu somehow and you do cancel array view, and normality is resumed. Okay, I hope that helped.